20 hidden iPhone 17 Pro tips in 60 seconds, unlock them now. Tip 1. Customize the action button to run shortcuts. Tip 2. Enable adaptive display to save battery. Tip 3. Swipe to quick note from the corner. Tip 4. Use back tap for instant shortcuts. Tip 5. Set focus filters to hide distracting apps. Tip 6. Add lock screen widgets for fast info. Tip 7. Use live text and video to copy text. Tip 8. Try visual lookup to identify objects. Tip 9. Shoot ProRAW for maximum photo detail. Tip 10. Grab frames from cinematic video as photos. Tip 11. Glide type with keyboard swipes for speed. Tip 12. Turn on haptic keyboard feedback for feel. Tip 13. Personalize spatial audio with a head scan. Tip 14. Let AirPods announce important notifications. Tip 15. Use quick translate in messages or camera. Tip 16. Enable emergency satellite SOS for off-grid help. Tip 17. Check app privacy report for tracking details. Tip 18. Use optimized charging schedules to extend battery life. Tip 19. Set up dual eSIMs for seamless roaming. Tip 20. Long press control center icons for quick actions. That's 20 must-know iPhone 17 Pro tips. Save this video and try them now.